Hello and welcome. My name is David Oisamoje. If you just joined me for the first time, my channel is all about creating t-shirt design. Yes, we are almost there. We are almost at 1k subscriber. Yes, you heard me right. We are almost at 1k subscribers. So if you're just joining me, you love what my channel is about. I really appreciate you guys. I really do appreciate you guys. You guys have been amazing. You guys have been there for me. You guys have been making sure I make it to this point, and I really appreciate you guys. I'm just going to go and show you my channel now. So you see that we've really gone a long way, and I've produced a lot of video. Yes, I know I'm saying too much, I'm talking too much. My channel is truly about t-shirt design, creating passive income from your t-shirt design. Please don't click off. I want you to watch this to the very end so that you understand every bit of it. As you can see, these are videos I've done in the past, so you can see for yourself that sorry about that. You can see for yourself that I've put out a lot of design inspiration for you guys that you can use for yourself and create your own style, your own design for passive income. So I don't want to waste your time. I just want to say thank you for everyone who has subscribed in the past. I really appreciate you guys. You guys are amazing. You guys are really amazing. I just want to appreciate you guys. If you see your name on the screen, I just want to say thank you. Thank you. If you see your name on the screen, I just want to appreciate you guys. So I don't want to waste your time, so I'm going to go straight and create this own. So we're going to be using canva.com for this design. So let's hit canva.com. It's going to open on a new tab. We'll wait for it to open. Once it's done opening, we're going to go straight right into this design. I want us to fill something new, so I'm just going to click create a design, custom dimension. The standard is 4500 by 5400. Yes, you heard me right. This is the standard. So let's hit on create a design, and we're going to create this for ourselves. We're going to create this for ourselves. You're going to see it for yourself. That is super cool. It's not going to take you too much time to get this done. Yes, my network is kind of slow, and as you can see, Canva.com is an online graphic design tool. So you're gonna bear with me. So now we hit on elements. As you can see, this is elements. We're gonna click on elements, click on shapes, because I'm gonna be making use of shapes for this one. So I'm just gonna click on shapes and find the box shape. This is the one I actually want for this design, so I'm gonna click on it. As you can see, so now we'll just position this to the middle. You see there's a cross line that shows the middle of the box. So I'm just going to increase this a bit here. Okay, so I'm just going to match it up like so. So now we have it. This is just one step. Now the second step is to, let's change the color. I prefer a better blue. Okay, like so. So now that we have that, now we'll go to text, and this is where we bring in our text. So I'm going to use this. I'm just going to, you can see, we're just going to do V. Okay, so we have the V. As you can see, then we'll move our cursor to this edge, press down left mouse button and make that bigger. Okay, just like so. So now this is going to say, this is going to be V. Okay, it's going to be V. This is just one of it. So we're just going to move it in different angles. Okay, so now I'm going to duplicate this. To duplicate this, I'm going to press my Alt key button, my Shift key button, my Alt, my left mouse key button, and drag downwards. Okay, I'll do that again, drag to the side, pressing my Alt key and my left mouse key button, and I'll do that again for this edge. So now we have them. So this one is going to be V, this is going to be an I. Okay, this is going to be an E. A, this is going to be an E, and this is going to be a B. Okay, so now that we have that, it says vibes. Okay, so now I'll just send this backwards. So you click on it, right click, all you have to do is click on it once, right click, send backwards. Okay, so now I'll just move it, gives me this cool feeling. Yeah, so just move it like so. Just move it like so. It says vibes. Okay. I'll do the same thing with the eye. Click on it. click on it like so. Okay, so you see it is looking cool so far. So for the E, I'm going to send it to the back tool, then back. I'm going to move it like this. Okay, so I'll just increase this a bit. So for the B is going to be here. I'll turn that to a bit and increase it a bit also. So it says vibes, as you can see. So just move your cursor to this edge to increase it. It's not that complicated, super easy to do. As you can see, our design is coming out well so far. It says vibes. So now I'll just go to elements and I'll just click on rows. Okay, so I'll just add a little rows to the middle. Okay, just add a little rows, so I can decide to add this one. Okay, so now you see you have this design. It says vibes, as you can see. So you see it didn't take us much time to get this done for ourselves. It's super easy to get this done. Looking at our screen, we're just 6 minutes into this design. As you can see, recording time 6 minutes. It didn't take us a lot of time to get this done, and you can see how easy it is to bring this together for our design. Super easy. We can decide to change the black, we can decide to change the font colors. Okay, you can decide to change the font color to green. Okay, as you can see, it's different colors. You can decide to just change it to different colors if you deem fit. Okay, the cool thing about it is that Canva picks up the document color and just use that for your design. So you can just see it says vibes. You can see how easy it is to get this design together. Now, if you want Canva Pro for yourself, I will advise you to check the first link in the description. Get Canva Pro for yourself. Check the first link in the description. You get Canva Pro. With Canva Pro, you'll be able to get rid of the white background, because obviously you don't need the white background in your design. So with Canva Pro, you'll be able to get rid of the white background. Super easy, not complicated, and you're gonna love it. Easy, not complicated. Be able to get rid of it, rid of the white background, and you'll be able to do other things like using premium elements. You can see I can decide to use this tool. Instead of using the first one, I can decide to use this one and just put it like that. Okay, and just put it like that and get rid of this one. I can decide to get rid of this one and just use this instead. Okay, I can just use this instead of that one. Just position it like so. So you can see how easy it is to get this design done for ourselves. You can change the color of this one. Okay, you can change it to a darker green, you can change it to a dark brown. Just change it around, just making it look cool. You can make it red if you want, just like that. You can make it black if you want. So just leave it at red. There's vibes. We can change this B also if we want to a darker B. Okay, so we can just leave it at that. And go. It says vibes. It just took us about 8 minutes to get this done. So all we have to do now is to click on downloads. Make sure you check the first link in the description to get Canva Pro. With Canva Pro, you can get rid of the by clicking transparent background and clicking download. Obviously, if you're watching this, you would have seen my thumbnail that I've gotten rid of this background, and I don't have this background in my design, and we are good to go with that. So with that said, we just click on download. It's going to prepare our download. Once it's done preparing our download, it's going to download it for us, and we can just get rid. See? Okay, so we make sure we check to cross vibes. Let's see how it looks, how it came out. Okay, this is it. We are just going to click on it. Okay, so you can see how easy this design is. Super easy. It says vibes. So if you believe you have a vibes this super cool day, this day you're watching this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Let's hit 1K subscriber together. To your right, you see a playlist. Make sure you watch those playlists. you want to get more, make sure you watch those playlists, and I will see you on the next one. Stay blessed, stay safe. I'll see you next.